Hello my dear students, I hope you are fine at home. Today we are going to discuss about the effect of refraction. In the previous already we have discussed about the refraction. Actually the light travels straight. The light transmits along straight direction if there is only one medium. There is no change in medium. So this is called a translation. Translation of the light. So whenever the medium is changed, means light enters from one medium to another medium, there is change in direction, slight change in direction, that is called the refraction. So if you observe, if the light enters from air to water, air is a rarer medium and water is a denser medium. So the light enters from rarer medium to denser medium, the light bends towards the normal line. Already I have told the normal line is nothing but the perpendicular line drawn to the boundary. The perpendicular line for the boundary is called the normal line. The light enters from rarer medium to denser medium, it bends towards the normal line. Whenever light enters from denser medium to rarer medium, the light bends away from the normal line. So this effect is due to the refraction. And due to the refraction, the image of the object will be changed. Means the size of the image of the object will be changed. Means image sometimes decreased. The size of the image sometimes decreased. The size of the image sometimes increased. I will show one activity here. See, actually this is a lemon. The image of the size. Just try to observe the image of the size. What will happen here? The image of the size is decreased. So this image is called the diminished image. If the image of the object decreased, that is called the diminished image. And this is the effect of refraction. If we take this lemon and if we pour the water in the glass, what will happen? Just try to observe that. What will be the size of the image of the lemon? So what is the size of the image here? The size of the image is increased. This is called enlarged image, otherwise magnified image. If the image of the object is increased, that is called the magnified image. So already you observed that the diminished image as well as magnified image. The magnified image or magnification is nothing but the increasing the size of the image. So if you wanted to know the magnification, you have to take the ratio of image size to the object size. Otherwise image distance to the object distance. Image size to the object size is called magnification. So magnification is nothing but the image size to the object size is called the magnification. And by hearing this one, just try to know what is the magnification of a plane mirror. In the general, what is the magnification of plane mirror? That is your question. Try to give the answer. Okay, thank you.